Welcome back. Goa government has decided to allow admissions at Goa Medical College for postgraduate courses to NEET as well as state exam pass outs. Students who have passed National Eligibility Entrance Test as well as the ones who have passed MBBS exam will be admitted. But Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni has made it clear before the High Court that these admissions will be subject to final verdict of the Supreme Court in NEET case.
During the hearing before the High Court on Thursday, arguing on behalf of the state government, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni said that the process of counselling and admission process for the postgraduate courses at Goa Medical College for the next academic year has already started. Admissions have been given to pass-outs in both the categories, the ones who have passed National Eligibility Entrance Test and those who have passed their state MBBS exam. But Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni made it clear that the admissions are provisional and subject to final verdict of the Supreme Court, as a similar matter is sub judice before the Supreme Court. The High Court fixed the next date of hearing on 5th of July as the Supreme Court is likely to deliver its final verdict in NEET case on 3rd of July. Meanwhile, Goa Dental College has invited applications from eligible candidates who have obtained their permanent or provisional registration with the Indian or State Dental Council for admission to the postgraduate degree program of Goa University at Goa Dental College for the seats under state quota for the academic year 2013-14. A reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Dairy farmers are unhappy with government's Kamdenu scheme. The new breed of cows provided under the scheme are falling ill. The newborn calves die within 7 to 15 days. Farmers say local cows yield more milk than the new breed of cows imported by the government. However, Assistant Director of Animal Husbandry Uday Pednekar says there is no need to panic, it's just an allergy and vets will visit the farmers for further inquiry.
आणि थंयच्यान ते मरता ते पयले येयले ते 7व्या दिसा मेले ते थंयसर जे कितें ते भायर जे कितें इनिशन मारता पळय ते हे दोतोर जाणा आसतना ते चेंजीस करिना थंयसर
पयले तेका मातशें कशें हें आसलें तेन्ना ते आतां ते वाडत गेलें आनी आतां ते चड जालां आनी ते आतां तेजे कपचे सगळे वयतात तेका वखद कितें काय जाल्यार ते कांय सांगनात ते पळोवया म्हणटात डॉक्टर म्हणटात तेका येयल्या उपरांत आमची दूद काडूंक ज्या वेळार आमकां दिना जाली तेन्ना आमी ती गाय बरी ना म्हूण आमी तेका सोमार दिसा फोन मारलो आनी डॉक्टराक हांगा हाडलो आनी तेका सांगलें हे तर म्हणटा दूद काडूंकूच जाय म्हणटा तूं आमी कशें अर्थीन काडूंक म्हटलें.
But Dr. Uday Pednekar says there is no need to panic. Vets will visit the farmers.
आमकां फार्मरांनी इतलें पॅनीक जावपाचें भिरांत तेजेर येवपाचें कांय गरज ना आनी ते दोतोर सांगता त्या प्रमाणे फुडें ट्रिटमेंट करपाक गायचें सिलेक्शन तेजेर उरता तें तरी पण आमकां अशें दिसून येयलां की ह्यो गायो ज्यो नव्यो आसा त्यो खूब दुदाक बऱ्यो आयिल्ल्यो आसा तर हळूहळू म्हाका एखादे मातशे त्रास जाल्ले आसा दूद कमी जाल्लें आसतलें की पण ते ट्रिटमेंट करून मागीर तें दूद चड प्रमाणांत वाडूंक शकता.
They also said their local cows yield more milk than the new breed of cows.
पूण त्यो आतां 1 लिटर 1.5 लिटर दूद दिता दिसाक म्हणजे तेचेर आतां हेच्या फुडें ते लोनार हाडलेले आसा ते लोन आमी कसो कितें भरपाचो.
ही आमची गाय 4 लिटर दूद दिता फावटीक 4-8 लिटर आमकां दिसाक दूद दिता इल्लीशी आसा आनी इतले आसून ती आमची चरोन येता ही गांवठी आमची तिका आमी पेंड लायना पेंड लावन आसतना आमची चरोन येवन आमकां 4-8 लिटर दूद दिता.
The state government introduced modified Kamdenu scheme to boost milk production in the state and make farmers self-sufficient. But the farmers are aggrieved with the government over Kamdenu scheme. Reporter Shamsundar Fatte with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent. State Pollution Control Board has asked the Goa Airport authorities to apply for consent under the Air and Water Pollution Control Act. Board officials informed that consent has expired in November 2012. Goa Airport authorities have to apply within 15 days or else they would be penalized. However, Goa Airport Authority is shocked with the board's disclosure. Authority sources claim they are awaiting report from the board.
Goa State Pollution Control Board has issued a notice to the Airport Authority of India with regard to the management of the Goa facility. Board has asked authority to properly fix the functioning of sewage treatment plant and also to comply with environmental norms for solid waste disposal.
We sent a team for inspection and we found that they were not handling their MSW the way that it's recommended to be handled. So we issued them certain directions. The first one is that they should have a proper STP functional. The STP was found, the water was drained in a drain outside, which we asked them to close, they will do that. Second thing, we found that they had no consent to operate on the air and water, which had expired in November 2011, which they have again applied and we are processing it. So there are no issues of that sort. It's just that we have to follow the recommendations made to us by the MOEF, and that's why directions are given to them. Nothing in serious nature, but it is just that they have to follow whatever has been told.
So any penalty granted for them?
No, we have given them 15 days to apply and to follow the directions we've issued. We have not issued penalty. Matter will come and we process their application. There will be penalties for late fees.
We contacted the Office of Airport Authority of India. They refused to speak on camera. However, sources informed us, not aware, learned from media, awaiting report from Goa State Pollution Control Board. We will comply with directions of Goa State Pollution Control Board. Report should have come to Airport Authority of India and then to the media. Goa Airport is in the news for failure to renew its consent to operate under the Act. Board feels that the authority should abide by the law. While airport authorities are unaware of any such report on violations, seek natural justice and time for compliance. With Bureau Inputs, reporter Surendra Madkekar and senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.